Welcome to your favorite channel for learning English. A story about friendship and unity. Once upon a time in a quiet city, there lived two best friends named Mia and Emma. They were inseparable, and their friendship radiated warmth and kindness throughout the community. Together, they embark on an amazing journey that will change their city forever. Evergreen was a diverse city, where people of different backgrounds, cultures, and beliefs coexisted harmoniously. However, there came a time when misunderstandings and divisions began to emerge, threatening the unity that once defined the city. Mia and Emma couldn't bear to see their beloved community torn apart, so they decided to take action. They gathered their friends, neighbors, and even strangers. This diverse collection became known as the Circle of Harmony. Their mission was to bridge the gaps that had formed and create a stronger, more interconnected society. With her kind nature and listening ear, Mia organized community dialogues. They create safe spaces where people can openly share their thoughts, fears, and dreams. Through compassionate conversations, Mia helped people understand each other's perspectives, foster empathy, and open doors to understanding. With her boundless energy and creativity, Emma organizes events and activities that celebrate the city's diversity. From cultural festivals to art exhibitions, Evergreen's diverse traditions and talents are on display. Emma's events became opportunities for people to come together, appreciate their differences, and discover the common threads that wove them into a vibrant tapestry. As the Circle of Harmony grew, its influence over the city increased. People who were once divided began to find common ground, build bridges across differences, and form new friendships. A spirit of unity began to permeate every corner of Evergreen, bringing a renewed sense of belonging and togetherness. The city's transformation caught the attention of neighboring communities, who were inspired by Evergreen's harmony. They reached out to Mia and Emma for guidance on how to foster friendship and unity in their cities. Mia and Emma happily shared their experiences, helping others realize that by embracing diversity and working together, they can create a brighter future for everyone. Evergreen has become a shining example of friendship and unity, a city where differences are celebrated and everyone feels valued and included. The Circle of Harmony has evolved into a permanent institution, ensuring that the values of friendship and unity are preserved for future generations. Mia and Emma's friendship remains as strong as ever, a testament to the enduring power of unity. They continue to inspire others, reminding them that when hearts come together, incredible things can happen. Thus, the story of friendship and unity at Evergreen became a legend passed down through the ages. He reminded people that by embracing each other, embracing differences, and working together, they can create a world where friendship and unity prevail and transform communities into havens of love, understanding, and shared dreams.